Hi, and thanks for stopping by the SLS YouTube channel. I'm Rick from SLS and SLS Radio. Please remember to subscribe to the channel to be informed of new content when it is added. Today, you're going to learn how you can send bulk mail to your group, or just a specific few of your group. This is a great way to promote your next event, or give entry information, or just a simple email. So let's go ahead and get things started.
And here we are on the home page of your profile. To be able to create a bulk mail message, you will need to go to the Tools section of the site located on the left menu panel. Once on the Tools page, you will want to look for the icon called Lists. Here you will be able to see the past bulk mail that you have sent. Each one of these will be a list that you have created before, and if you wish to send an email to that same list again, you can do so by clicking the letter icon with the green arrow. If you wish to add more members to it, click this link. And if you wish to delete the list altogether, just click this one. But to create a new list, just click Create New List link. This will bring you to this page, which will give you two options for making a list: Group and Club. The Club option will show you a list of members that have already signed up for one of your past events. Keep in mind this number will be different than if you choose the Group option. The Group option will bring up the list of members that are currently in your group. But not all may have attended a past event, so this number will be somewhat different than the Club option. Once you have chosen whether or not it will be a group or club's list, this page will come up. This is where you can make a title for the list you want, and a short description of what the list is for, and whether you would like to make the list private or public. Once you've done this, click Create Mail List. This will verify that you have created your list successfully. Then just click this to add your members. Here you will see a list of members that are in the particular group or club list. If you wish to add everyone to the list, you can just click Add Everyone. Or if you just want to choose the members you want to receive the email, you can just check the box next to their name. And once you have all the members you want to receive the email, just click Save. Now your list is created, and you're ready to send an email to that list. Once you click the Send Mail button, it will bring you to the email creation page, where you will have the subject and, of course, the message you wish to create. In this page, you will have the option of special characters like bolding and color. You'll also be able to insert a flyer if you wish. To do that, simply click the picture icon at the top, where it will ask you for a URL. To find the URL of a photo you wish to post, simply go to the photo on the internet, right-click on the photo, click Copy Image Address, paste it in the URL, and click OK. When you do that, the flyer will then be pasted into your email. Simply write content and send, and you have just sent your first bulk email.
And there you go. It's as simple as that. Now, a few things to keep in mind. You can only send out a limited numbers of these each week, so you may want to use them sparingly. And, as always, keep in mind that all bulk mail is manually approved by SLS staff members before they're sent, so you're going to want to give it a little time for them to be posted. But it sure is a great way to keep the members of your group informed of great events, announcements, or anything you may have for them. Thanks again for stopping by, and please remember to subscribe to this channel for more great upcoming videos. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And remember to make it a sexy day.